Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brownies that are gluten, dairy, egg, and nut free. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we'll need to make a flax egg. To do that, in a small bowl, add the ground flax seed and the warm water. Stir it to combine and set it aside for at least 10 minutes. Then in a large bowl, add the gluten-free flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, xanthan gum, and salt, and whisk them together to combine them. Then add in the melted coconut oil, the flax egg that we made earlier, and the vanilla extract, and mix them well together. Grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan, and pour the batter into the pan, spreading it out evenly. Place the brownies into the oven and bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove them from the oven. Let them cool until they're warm but not hot. And that's how to make brownies that are gluten, dairy, egg, and nut free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.